Is Donald Trump's popularity the reason behind the rally in gold prices this year? You can't help but notice the link between Trump's rise in the poll numbers and the prices of gold, which are up 20% so far this year. So what's behind the correlation?
Absolutely. Well, a lot of analysts we spoke to said as Trump's popularity was rising, so was the price of gold. Why? Because markets are forward-looking. They can price good, they can price bad, but they have a hard time pricing uncertainty. So as he was rising, a lot of people had discounted Trump, and all of a sudden now he's, the presumptive frontrunner of the GOP, and that's brought a lot of uncertainty to the mix. And when we have uncertainty, investors flock to what they consider a safe haven, which is gold.
All right, now the other side of this argument is that maybe the rise of gold this year has nothing to do with Trump, and maybe it's all about the Federal Reserve, which has sort of assured markets that it's not going to raise interest rates as fast as we might think.
Absolutely. So we have to keep in mind that where Trump and the election process will be price supportive and maybe price supportive for gold, they're not the main driving factors. And you just mentioned it, the Fed. Now seems the June rate hike is off the table. They've also, not given any clear signals as where they will be moving next, which is causing a lot of uncertainty, again, good for gold. We also have to remember that when gold recently rallied, we had a retracement in the dollar. We had jobs numbers that came in lower than expected. So this is what was really pushing gold over the $1,300 mark.
Now, we still have 6 months to go until the election. If Trump becomes president, what does that mean for gold?
Well, should he become president, he has said, look, I'm a low interest rate kind of guy. He's also said that the US dollar is just too high. He wants to see it come down. He has also said that he would replace Fed Chair Janet Yellen, and that he's not afraid of the word bankruptcy. So these are all factors that, again, would be price supportive for gold.
All right, we should also point out that Trump actually owns gold himself.
Yes, he does. Well, as of last July, he had stated that he owns about $100,000 to $200,000 worth of gold, physical gold, so not ETFs. And of course, this is a minimal amount when we look at his overall portfolio. But if he does have an impact on the price of gold, he might want to consider upping his holdings here.
Upping his holdings in gold? You never know. Daniela, thank you so much.
Thanks, Scott.